good shot.
I think a frog would be really nice.
Excuse you.
Okay.
Wait, so you're telling me I can catch a 5-inch bass and it's the same amount of points as a 16-inch bass?
Matthew, will you explain the rules for us, please?
I don't know the rules.
Andrew, what are the rules?
1 point every fish.
Every fish.
So we're gonna have half point for a big sunny. Which, how big's a big sunny?
Fillet for sure.
And then we'll do 1 point every bass and every pike, and then 5 points every trophy fish. Same rules as we had before.
So
The one that we never actually did or finished.
Andrew,
Something that
you're
never
telling me I
happened.
catch that bass I caught off the dock today. It's the same as a 16-incher.
Yeah.
I got PTSD.
So you got PTSD.
I got PTSD.
What? Turn it on.
You're about to know.
It's on.
You single ladies. Yeah, it's cold.
That is very cold. Excuse you, sir. Excuse you.
Plastic.
Oh!
I've never had one. Why is it still aggressive?
Nice, Benny. Good job.
Holy flex. That was a terrible release.
Pooped on me. Don't do it.
I couldn't even see what you were doing.
I was flexing my butt cheek so hard right there. Okay, how you doing this, mate? How you doing that?
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Skirt plank.
Bye bye.
Maybe cut that out too. That was kind of fish abuse. I kind of feel bad now. Sorry, fishy.
We probably filleted one then.
Yep. I count it.
Yes, sir,
1
ma'am.
point for Matthew.
Nice.
Surfing.
Is that a northern or a bass or a
Bass?
It's a bass. Hey,
PC.
See, buddy.
Nice. You gotta let some line out, dog.
Oh, he's ready to go. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Kerplunk.
2 points. Let's go. Tie game.
Oh, actually?
Ben's got 2, I got 2, Matthew's got a half.
That's nice. Dude, why do you bring it so freaking close to your rod tip? Hurry up, you bastard.
Angry. Little guy. Ready?
Ready. Oh.
Yep, that's the lead. Thank you very little.
You're welcome.
Good job.
I'm better than Ben.
What if I told you I wasn't trying?
Who's winning? Me?
Well, Ben and Matthew just got a half point, so what's the score?
I got 1 total point.
Matthew's got 1. Ben, how many do you have?
7.5.
No, how many do you actually have? I have 3. I think you have 2.5.
Yeah, you have 2.5 because Andrew was winning last night.
When you guys are watching.
Whatever.
True statement.
Tuesday?
Oh, definitely not Tuesday.
No.
It's Big Booty Thursday.
Big Booty Thursday.
Also wrong. I was hoping you'd say day 2 of the competition.
Oh, day 2 of the competition.
How the pros do it.
That's that song.
Ooh, it's a nice one.
Yeah.
It is fat.
What up?
Good job.
You don't want to weigh it?
That's a nice one, Drew.
My biggest is 7.
Oh gosh.
Ready?
Me too.
The hook is being right there.
Good job.
Nice.
Then you're missing the drop off. I think it's like 12.
It's so windy.
Good joke.
That true statement about I think I put earlier.
I didn't.
Oh, feisty little guy. What's your number?
5.
Ben?
I don't remember.
3.5. Matthew? 2.5. 2. He has 2, everyone.
Going.
Another dinky one.
Gone?
No way.
Doesn't count.
These don't count, dude.
Oh, he didn't get in the boat. Definitely doesn't count.
It was in the boat. You're the judge. What do you wanna?
Well,
what do you wanna
she's
do?
gonna give you points.
Those are fighting words. So a half.
Yeah.
So a full point now. So a 5 now.
Yep.
Yeah, squeeze it.
Ah.
Yeah. Squeeze it.
Oh yeah, he is slippery. Do I have to hold both?
Yeah, sure.
He hit me like 3 different times, but I thought it was a weed. And then I saw him, and I was like, oh, that is fish.
In it.
As small as the other one. He's gonna go get eaten. It's been a day. I want 3 of these.
No, it's abuse. Turn it off.
Yep.